From rolling Web3 LED advertisements on the streets to ATMs that allow you to exchange cryptocurrency for Hong Kong dollars while strolling through the city. The crypto DNA is rapidly fusing into the fabric of Hong Kong. Following the declaration of virtual assets, a series of favorable policies have been introduced, intensifying the competition to become the global hub for cryptocurrency. The cryptocurrency market in 2023 is in a period of recovery, particularly as the volatility of traditional finance highlights the need for decentralized financial infrastructure. The entire Ethereum ecosystem is also showing a busier than usual scene. Web3 Weekly News Digest will go over trendings this week. The market has been on a decline this week as expected, with around $650 million worth of long positions being liquidated in the crypto market last week. However, in the past 2 days, the crisis in the U.S. banking sector has resurfaced, causing the market capitalization of First Republic Bank to drop below $1 billion. The bank has been suspended from trading twice and has plummeted nearly 40%. As a result, safe haven assets such as gold and Bitcoin have once again risen, with BTC briefly surpassing $30,000. It can be seen that the recognition of Bitcoin is gradually maturing and approaching its theoretical relevance. The correlation between BTC as a safe haven asset and gold is gradually increasing, while its correlation with the stock market is trending negative. These relatively negative indicators represent a declining expectations for the U.S. economy, coupled with the long-discussed inflation and banking risks. The momentum of BTC as a safe haven asset will continue to rise, and the upward trend is becoming clearer. The recent upgrade of ETH Shanghai, combined with Messari's Q1 report on Ethereum, is a positive sign for the crypto market in 2023. The market is currently in a period of recovery, especially with the turmoil in traditional finance highlighting the need for decentralized financial infrastructure. The entire Ethereum ecosystem has been bustling with activity, with significant growth in DEX, NFT trading volume, and TVL. The development of L2 continues to be lively, with Optimism and Arbitrum occupying nearly half of the transaction share in L1 and L2. The next Cancun upgrade, following the upgrade in Shanghai, is expected to be completed by the end of this year or next year, with transaction costs on rollups expected to decrease by 10 to 100 times. According to a tweet by HKIEF, the Hong Kong Innovative Crypto Fund, Hong Kong will establish a VASP, Virtual Asset Service Provider licensing system, implementing dual licensing supervision. It is divided into two categories: securities and non-securities. Stablecoins are classified as securities, while BTC, ETH, and OTC businesses are non-securities. Securities token trading exchanges, under the current system of the Securities and Futures Ordinance, the regulatory requirements for securities token trading conducted by virtual asset trading platforms require licenses. Non-securities token trading, based on the Anti-Money Laundering Ordinance Virtual Asset Service Provider System. The non-securities token trading conducted by virtual asset trading platforms is subject to supervision. VASP cards and trust cards are required. It is expected that the Virtual Asset Service Provider licensing system will be implemented from June 1, 2023, and Hong Kong will need to fully license virtual assets by May 31, 2024, at the latest. Meanwhile, Hong Kong will release cryptocurrency trading platform licensing guidelines in May. The Web3 notification system Yoast Labs has raised $3.5 million in funding led by Electric Capital. The startup aims to target a blue ocean market by building a Web3 aggregation notification system to help users manage information and connect key traffic channels between project parties and users. The company anticipates further expansion and development opportunities going forward, following the attention garnered by Cosmos DeFi Public Chain SE, which raised $50 million in funding. Bearchain has also caught the eye of investors. Bearchain aims to improve the efficiency of staking capital by creating a new interoperability layer that allows for diverse tokens from different chains to be used as collateral for consensus staking and network verification. Chain also plans to create an EVM equivalent smart contract and cross-chain interoperability platform in the future. Thanks all for watching. We'll see you next week.